Let's simplify the given logarithmic expression. So here we have log of 75 over 16. If we factorize 75, so that will be 3 times 25. So that means we have 3 times 5 times 5 divided by 16. So that's simply 2 raised to the power of 4 plus log of 32. So 32 will be 2 raised to the power of 5 divided by, we have 243, which is 3 raised to the power of 5. Now we'll use the property of logarithm. So if we have a times log of b, so this is the same as log of b raised to the power of a. So we will get negative log of 5 over 9 is 3 squared whole raised to the power of 2. Now we will use another fact that if we have negative log of a, this is the same as log of reciprocal of a. So we'll use this to rewrite our logarithm as plus log of, so we'll have to take the reciprocal, so that will be, so we have 3 squared whole squared, so that will be 3 raised to the power of 4. So what we have done is use the law of indices, that if we have a raised to the power of b whole raised to the power of c, so that's simply a raised to the power of b times c divided by 5 squared. Now finally what we'll do, we'll combine these 3 logarithms using a property of logarithm. That means if we have log of a plus log of b, so that's equivalent to log of a times b. Right. So let's use this property. So we will have log of, so this will get multiplied. So we have 3 times 5 divided by 2 raised to the power of 4 multiplied to 2 raised to the power of 5 divided by 3 raised to the power of 5 times 3 raised to the power of 4 divided by 5 squared. So here we will see that we have 2 raised to the power of 4 and 2 raised to the power of 5. So this will get cancelled out and leave us with a 2. We have 3 and multiplied to 3 raised to the power of 4. So this will cancel, 3 raised to the power of 5 in the denominator, and 5 squared will also go away. So this leaves us with only 2 in the numerator. So that means we have log of 2, and this is going to be our simplified value of the given logarithmic expression.